Hi, I'm Simon and this is Michael, and today we're going to explain the difference between our PCL hoses. To make the most out of your pneumatic tools, choosing a quality hose is essential to stabilising your air pressure. PCL offers a range of hoses with or without fittings in various materials. There are two types of hoses, standard or coiled. Your application will determine which type you require. The material of your hose will also affect the weight, flexibility and longevity and performance, so you will need to ensure that the material is suitable for your application.
For applications where space is tight, a polyurethane or nylon coiled hose is ideal. The coils are tensile and they have a memory, so when you let go of the hose, it shrinks back for easy storage. This leaves the work area clear of entanglements and trip hazards. Many factories use coiled hoses because they spring out of the way when they're not in use.
Polyurethane hoses are ideal for medium pressure applications that require a tighter bend radius, such as robotic and pneumatic control machinery. Both polyurethane and nylon hoses have excellent resistance from fuels, oils and abrasion. However, nylon offers greater heat and chemical resistance and supports a higher working pressure than polyurethane. Therefore, it's recommended for higher pressure applications.
PCL range of standard hoses lie flat, without any bends or coils. Some prefer the standard hose because they don't like the resistance in the coiled hose. You can loosely wrap the hose in a loop for storage, or you can put them on a hose reel.
PCL Superflex hose has been designed to be extremely flexible and hard wearing. The inside of the hose is made from a special PVC nitrile grade, which is twice the strength of a normal PVC. While still being soft, this offers great elasticity, without damage and excellent kink recovery, which results in minimal airflow loss. The outside of the hose is made from the same material as double glazed window gaskets. Therefore, the hose offers excellent weathering properties and oil resistance. The combination of these materials for the Superflex hose makes it suitable for most applications. The Superflex hose has excellent low temperature performance down to -40 degrees. We recommend avoiding high temperatures as the hose may become too soft.
PCL also offer a range of hoses. These are made from a high-performance TPE compound. These hoses look and feel like rubber, but they're a lot lighter in weight. This ergonomically friendly product is a good all-round hose and works up to 20 bar rather than the 14 bar which the Superflex does. PCL also offer a high-vis yellow PVC hose. It's ideal for dark or poorly lit areas, so it's ideal for safety.
PCL also offers flexible nylon tubing, manufactured from high quality nylon granules. This tubing is ideal for use in push-in fittings and for a wide range of industrial applications.
PCL hoses come in lengths from 10 to 100 metres. We also offer a range of hose assemblies complete with coupling and adapters. These can save you time and expense in buying expensive crimping equipment. You can simply plug in and go. If you would like to learn more about our hose assemblies, visit the PCL website.